Hello, and in this video we are going to be taking a look at 25 geography facts in just 5 minutes. Let's move on to the video. Number 1. The only country that's located in all 4 hemispheres is Kiribati in the Pacific Ocean. 2. Russia is so big that it's home to 11 different time zones, whereas the second largest country, China, only has 1. Did you know that Greenland has the largest national park stretching up to 1 million kilometers squared? And if the park was a country on its own, it would be the 30th largest. Number 4. Asia's surface area is larger than the entire moon. Fact number 5. 90% of the global population lives in the northern hemisphere, which as of 2024 is 7.3 billion people. Did you know that Point Nemo is a tiny island known as the most remote place on Earth? With the closest land being 1,000 miles away, this makes the astronauts in the ISS the closest people to them. Number 8. Despite being only 2.4 kilometers apart, the 2 Diomede Islands in Russia and the USA have a whole day gap in time. And this issue is caused by the international time zones. Number 10. Although Brazil has the largest rainforest on Earth, the Amazon, it only contains 302 billion trees, whereas Russia, on the other hand, has over double the amount of trees than Brazil at 642 billion trees. Did you know it's estimated that 60 to 120 billion people have ever lived on Earth, and only 8 billion of those are alive today? If you combine the entirety of the Scandinavia, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Denmark into a city, it would not even make it to the top 10 most populated cities on Earth. Did you know that there are over 2 times as many kangaroos in Australia than humans, at 50 million kangaroos to only 25 million humans? If you stretch the entire Great Wall of China into a straight line, it would go from England all the way out to New Zealand. Going back to the fact earlier of how Russia has 11 different time zones, France on the other hand, while being 17 times smaller, has 12 different time zones, including all the overseas territories. Did you know that more humans live in this small circle than the entire rest of the world? Number 18. More than 80,000 people in Japan are aged 100 or older, which equates to 1 in 1,500 people, making it the oldest country by age. The continent of Africa, with almost 1.5 billion people and 30 million kilometers squared, has less GDP than the UK at only 70 million people and less than 250,000 kilometers squared. China, being the second biggest country by population, has 108 cities with a population of over 1 million, which for reference, the USA, which is third, has only 10 cities with over 1 million people. Fact 22. Did you know that the Statue of Liberty is not actually in the New York City, but instead in New Jersey? Australia, the country infamous for its dangerous insects and other creatures, has more deaths caused by horses than any other creature, according to the study over the past decade. Did you know that Papua New Guinea has the most languages spoken at over 840 languages spoken every single day? For the final fact of the video, going back to Australia, the city of Perth is close to Jakarta in Indonesia, which is 3,000 kilometers away, than Sydney in its own country at 3,300 kilometers away. And with that, thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Bye!